So then we want to talk, obviously, as first on the business case. So what is now the average profit leakage that we see within a business if they are not able to position them well in terms of, if we only take the perspective to price sensitivity, right? So on average, we see, and this is more or less, let's say, an average of things that we see coming by, is that the business is doing roughly 100 million in revenues, and we see that the gross margin roughly 25 million, and then we already see that purely based upon sensitivity measurements, there's a business case to be made of 1.25 million. What is then obviously a 5% improvement of the 25 million and a 1.25% absolute margin increase of the overall revenue. And that is a super nice result. And for sure, if you can imagine that these types of, let's say if you want to invest in these types of models, let's say that you roughly are looking at a yearly invest of 60K on a potential return of investment of 1.25, then that is a super nice business case to work upon, and almost in that sense, obviously a no-brainer to the business to start with it. So in general, you can always ask yourself the question in terms of, can you afford for your organization yourself to not invest in such a setup and to be then in that sense also reactive?